Today, I'll show you how to delete a Twilio subaccount. First, log into your main Twilio account at console.twilio.com. Make sure you're in the correct account since the subaccount you want to delete is linked here. Next, go to the admin menu, then account management and select subaccounts. You can also visit console.twilio.com/admin/subaccounts to go directly to this section. Here you'll see a list of all your subaccounts. Locate the one you want to remove. Using search or filters can help if you have many. Click on the subaccount's name to open its settings page. Scroll to the bottom of General Settings and click the red Close Subaccount button. Twilio will ask you to confirm your choice. Double check that you've selected the correct subaccount as deletion is permanent. Once confirmed, the subaccount will be permanently deleted along with its associated services. And that's it. Your subaccount is now removed. Make sure to double check before deleting as this action cannot be undone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Twilio guides and tech tips.